Smile evening, everyone. Once again, as you know, all our nerve endings are finishing in hands and feet. So that's why we have nails to protect the nerve endings. It's a debatable issue, but they say that even after death, the nails keep growing for 2 days. So 2, 3 days. So the nails have a maximum power, and our fingertips, they have maximum power. So in our hands, we have many points, many points. In sujok also, in case you are taking one eye, right eye, we have more than 50 points of eye. And in many acupressure books, you must have seen the eye points here, the eye points there. So that is also there. But sujok is based on similarity, isn't it? Sujok is based on similarity. Hand is a xeroscopy of the body, and in further future studies also we'll learn whatever studies we'll do, it is based on similarity. So wherever the similarity is, energy exchange takes place. So now, in case we have godly, emotions and qualities like love, compassion, gratitude, generosity, admiration, love, lots of love, because unconditional love, sympathy. So if we have godly qualities, we'll be similar to whom? We will be similar to him. And if we are similar to him, can we have a disease? We cannot have a disease if we have godly qualities. So I again say, smile, keep smiling. If you're smiling all the time, you're closer to him. The diseases will not be there. Even if it's there, they will not trouble you. So anyways, we'll learn how to handle the diseases we already have. So I'll share my screen. Just give me 1 minute. Yesterday, we had covered quite a few topics. Today, we'll take first toothache, gums, and tongue disorder. Now, as you know, where these points are coming. These points are on the upper phalange. We divided the upper phalange in 3 parts, right? We made 2 lines, and the upper phalange of thumb was divided in 3 parts. Now, the lower part was, we were having a mouth. This was open mouth. It's made here. This is open mouth. So on first line, we had eyes point. Second, we had nose. And in between the second and third, we have open mouth. Now in mouth, in case you have toothache, and we have experienced in this many a times. If you have toothache, and toothache generally troubles at a very odd hour. You can't even go to the doctor, dentist. So in case you have toothache, you will go to the dentist. But before that, try this. In this area, as I'm showing you in the slide, later on, I'll take up 3-4 diseases. Then after that, I'll open the visualizer and show you on my hand. Now, in this area, you will find on the outline of this area, you will find the teeth, 32 teeth. So we'll divide this, like we divide this in 4 parts. In 4 parts, we have 8, 8, 8, 8, 32 teeth. Even if you don't have 32 teeth, there are place for 32. So we can find out where the problem is. I'll show you in the visualizer later. Toothache, gums में pain hai, then also this is the same place. And in future studies, we also take one second. On thumb, even in you can do it on the fingers also, but in thumb around the nail, on this area, you will find the correspondent points of the teeth, teeth on this area. So I'm just showing you the area. Please mark it, draw it in your copies, and later on I will explain you and I'll show you how to find the painful points. So this is teeth. Now gums also, the area is same. This is the same area where you will find the painful points for gums also. So what we generally do is we make a methi patti ka chain as I showed you yesterday and put it around this nail. Nail को touch करते हुए skin. You know, the skin which is touching the nail, these are the points for teeth and gums. And for tongue, if you have a burning tongue or if it's burnt or if you're having any problem with the tongue point is, I'll use the drawing tools. Just give me 1 minute. The tongue area is this, below the nail on the tip here. Just put blue color. If you have burnt your tongue, you can put ice or you can put blue color here at the bottom of it. And around the nail, as I'm showing you with my pen here, you can put methi dane ka chain, methi seeds chain around the nail for your gums. And how to look for tooth problem, I'll show you later in the visualizer where it will be more clear. So we'll go to the next topic. I hope it's clear because this is a very small topic. To increase confidence, this now what I am going to tell you will be for 3-4 things.
Can I ask question about teeth?
Yes.
One of the.
We can be interrupted after 5-10 minutes. When I finish this, then I'll come to the question answer.
Okay.
That way you will not be interrupted in between. So 1 second. This I am showing you. This will be for confidence, to increase confidence. In case children are going for exams and they are feeling jittery, and we have experienced this number of times. So I am 100% sure you will get the results. Even when I am going to the stage, and anybody who is going to the stage, and you're feeling a little apprehensive, try this. If you're underconfident, try this. Low BP, we'll be having the same thing for few things. Low BP, underconfidence, sadness, depression, you can try this. And also for if your blood is not, like anemia, if you have an anemia problem, then also somebody asked me yesterday, for anemia also you try this. Now what to do? We have to increase the blood circulation. Now how to increase the blood circulation? By Sujok therapy. First of all, make a smiley here on heart point. Now it's very important to find the exact heart point, which I will explain you today. When I switch on the visualizer, I'll draw it and show you. But just write down heart point पे make a smiley. In one hand, you write down right now. So when I come to the visualizer, you can know exactly where it is. The exact point will be given there. So on heart point, smile.
It should be red.
Red color, yes. Red color. So on heart point, make a smiley with red color, and a red color line on index finger. I'll draw it on my hand and show you. See, red colors line here from bottom to top. This line is going from one side. This line is going from bottom to top. Bottom to top. And smile here. Smile here. Smile here on heart point. In other hand on heart point, this is left hand. In other hand on heart point, you can put the seeds. It can be buckwheat seeds. If you can't find buckwheat seeds, we also have ratike seeds. I'll show you when we switch on the visualizer. We have rati seeds. You can use that. And in case you can't find them also, just use peppercorn. So put peppercorn on heart point, red color line here from bottom to top, and red color smiley here. And in other hand, you put the seeds on the heart point. And one more thing you will be doing, put red color circle on little finger like this. Red color circle on little finger, circle on little finger. And massage the heart point nicely before putting the color. Massage it nicely. I'll show you in the visualizer. Just massage it nicely, and if I start sharing my experiences, then it will be too many. So I don't want to start off with that. But we have taken many results, and you will be taking for underconfidence, for low BP, for heart, for sadness, and also for anemia. For anemia, people who are writing down for anemia, just write down. You put these points, and along with that, energy points. Energy points. Now, how to work on energy points, we'll be coming to that later. But just write down in front of your disease. Energy points. Okay, I hope you have understood.